In today's video, you will learn how to compare documents in Microsoft Word. Comparing documents is extremely useful when you need to review changes between different versions of the same file. It allows you to clearly see what has been added, removed, or modified, making collaboration and revisions much easier to manage. To begin, navigate to the Review tab, click the Compare button, and select the Compare option from the drop-down menu. This opens the Compare Documents dialog box, where you will choose the two files you want to review. If your document is not already listed, click the file icon to browse your computer and locate it. You will need to select the original document first, and then select the revised document separately, following the same process for both fields. Make sure document 1 is set as the original document, and document 2 is set as the revised document. This distinction is important because Word uses it to determine which changes are considered edits. Once both documents are selected, you can adjust how the comparison is displayed by clicking the More button. This expands the comparison settings and gives you control over what types of changes are shown. In the comparison settings, select all available options so Word tracks every possible change. Under the Show Changes section, choose the word level option. This ensures changes are displayed clearly at the word level rather than character by character. Also indicate that you want the changes to appear in a new document. This keeps your original files untouched and creates a separate comparison result that is easy to review. After setting your preferences, click OK. Word will instantly generate a new compared document in the middle pane with all edits highlighted. Insertions, deletions, and formatting changes are clearly marked so you can review them efficiently. On the right side, you will see the two selected documents displayed in smaller panes for reference. This allows you to view both versions alongside the comparison. On the left side, under the Revisions pane, Word displays a detailed list of all changes between the original and revised documents. This summary helps you quickly understand what was modified without scrolling through the entire file. You can click through revisions to jump directly to specific changes. Once the comparison is complete, you can make additional edits if needed or revise any of the highlighted sections. When you are satisfied, accept the changes and save the edited document as your final version. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Thanks for watching.